Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change the color of an object in Illustrator. So if you have any object shape and you want to change the color, so select it. This is the selection tool. Click here, then select any object. Now here guys, you will see two options. Fill and stock. Fill means you can add the color top side, and stock it's a mid outline, or you can say that you can add the color, you can change color in this border. So to change this shape's color, double click here. Now here you can select any color. Also you can keep your mouse your required color. Also you can add the code here if you have the color code. So insert, to change this frame color, double click this frame, click on OK. Now click here, and here you can change the frame color. Also you can add this gradient color, so click here gradient. You will see this gradient options. Here select white and black or orange yellow. Make sure you select this fill option, then gradient. So you will see the effect here. You can add more color, so double click here. You can change the length for any particular color. So this is the way you can apply the color, and you can change the color for any object in Illustrator. Thanks for watching. Comment, this video is useful for you.